Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to check Samsung Smart Fridge Diagnostics and also request a repair service using SmartThings app. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If we have any issues with our fridge or if we want to check the health of our fridge, then we can make use of Samsung SmartThings app. This is available on Play Store and App Store. We can download this from there. If you have a smart fridge from Samsung with Wi-Fi support, then we can make use of this. We already shared a full video about installing and setting this up. Please check the link in the description for this. Now to check this, we have to open our Samsung SmartThings mobile app. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. Then we have to select our device, select our fridge here. We will get the page like this. We have to make sure our fridge is switched on as well. Then at the bottom, we have to go to service. Here we will get this DeviceBAR option. We just have to select this. So here it says Diagnostics working properly. So we just have to click this again. So here we can see more details about this. Here it says Diagnostics are running continuously, last checked. So we don't have any issues right now. Normal 2, issues 0. We can check all these details here. So as you can see, it is constantly checking our smart fridge for any issues. If we get any, it will be visible here. That's all. Now if we get any issues here, then we can select this request a repair option at the bottom. It will open a browser here and we have to log in using our associated Samsung account. Select continue. So again we can select the sign in option here. That's all. Here we will get our product page with our model name, number and also our serial number. Now if we scroll down a bit, we will get these three options: track request, warranty and request service. Here we have to select request service and here we will get more details about our warranty and we have to enter all our personal details here. We can elaborate what kind of request we want. Then we just have to select the submit option. A technician or support staff from Samsung will contact us regarding this. That's all. On our Samsung SmartThings app, we can also go to this life option at the bottom. Go to home care and we can see the diagnostics option here as well. We can see the device status, check required. We can select this. That's all. These are the steps to check Samsung Smart Fridge Diagnostics and also request a repair service using SmartThings app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.